In this video, we will show you how to use text-to-speech in Polygraph Pro. While this video applies to Polygraph Pro versions 4.000 or higher, earlier versions do have this feature and it will work almost exactly the same. In Chart Recorder, check the box labeled Read Text. Checking this box will cause the computer to use the TTS engine and read your question text aloud. You can control the question asking by pressing the spacebar as you normally would if you were speaking the questions yourself. It's very important that you review the questions with your examinee prior to the exam. The easiest and most convenient way to do this is within the question editor. Open up your question set to review it with the examinee. You can do this by highlighting your question set when creating your session and clicking Edit. Or you can directly edit from the chart recorder by clicking the Edit Questions button in the bottom right. Once you have your question set open, you will see the full list of questions. On the far left, you will notice a colored box which corresponds with the question type. This colored box also contains the text TTS. Click the TTS box for each question as you go through and review the questions with your examinee. While in the question editor, if you go to the options menu and then choose text-to-speech, you will bring up the text-to-speech option sheet. From there you can change voices, speech rate, and enable the reading of question text.